Hello, Rosary Cathedral Middle School. Mr. Jones here, telling you what you're supposed to be doing this afternoon for virtual learning. There's two videos I put up on kinds of sentences. Again, there's two videos I put up on kinds of sentences. We went over in class yesterday and even last week for the B group, and I want you to make three or write um, three sentences for each different kind. So three declarative sentences, three interrogative sentences, three imperative sentences, and three exclamatory sentences. We went over this before, so you know what kind they are. Some of you have even taken papers home. And in the video, it explains it even further. You'll have three, you'll make up three on your own. An example of a declarative sentence would be um, something such as, we walk to the store. So that would be one sentence right there, one of the three that you need. So three declarative sentences, three imperative sentences. Remember, imperative is more like a command. You're telling someone to do something like important. So an imperative sentence would be, please go shut the door. So you need three of those. You can use that one if you want. And interrogative is a question. So, did Nancy come over yesterday? That's an interrogative sentence. Again, did Nancy come over yesterday? That's an interrogative sentence. Next, you want to talk about exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are an exciting sentence. It's what it would be something of excitement like, "Did you see the game last night?" Or "I scored 4 points in at my game yesterday," or something exciting. Or "there's no homework over the weekend." Something exciting, you would say. Uh, that's what you will be doing today. It is due when you come to school. So for the A group, you'll be back on Monday. For the B group, you'll be in tomorrow. So you should have those sentences written. Um, I'll put up in probably about another half an hour or so. I'll put up a, a math video with your questions on there. Um, and those will be due too. Again, we went over with the A group. We went over ratios, the number system briefly. Um, so with the B group, we'll go over the number system, just what rational numbers and irrational numbers are. I'll put a video up of that as well, and we'll go over some basic questions. Um, just basic stuff like changing fractions into decimals and changing them back from decimals to fractions. Um, just basic stuff like that. I will put up another video for that one, but I want to do one at a time because I just want to see how this works out. Um, Again, so this will be how our Wednesdays will go. I'll put the videos up. You'll leave a comment. You bring the work in your next day of school. Eventually, we'll get to the point where when you have computers and stuff at home, where we'll do Google Meets, and so we'll all be together, and then we can all see each other. But for now, this is the first video. Uh, it's going to be over the different kinds of sentences. You need to write three of each: three interrogative, three imperative, three declarative, and three exclamatory. Three sentences, three of those sentences. Okay, so it'll be 12 sentences total. Uh, Please make sure you have your name at the top of your paper. Today's date. It needs to be dated today's date because it's due today, not tomorrow. So tomorrow when you come in, B group, you need to have it turned in. And A group, when you come Monday, it should have September 16th date on there. If it doesn't, then it's going to be considered late. And I'm only taking late work for so long. Um, yeah, so that'll be that. And then with reading, I'll probably put a link up to take you to ReadWorks. ReadWorks works on the phone. So does Momentum. Momentum is a little trickier to use on the phone. So I'll try to keep some of this stuff as simple as possible until we get our Chromebooks, or until everyone has access to a computer. So if you already have a computer at home, great. If you don't have a computer at home, that's okay. We'll make it accessible today. So along with the work on Google Classroom. Yes, there's work on Google Classroom. There's work on from every teacher, to be honest. You have social studies work, science work, um, reading and math and spelling. Um, the A group, you have your spelling words and your spelling list. The B group, the spelling list is not up there. I will upload it today. Um, Actually, I'm not going to upload it because I want you to type it. So if I upload it, you're just gonna copy and paste. So I'm not gonna do that. Uh, so for spelling, you'll hold off on the spelling, B group, and uh, you'll just hold off on the spelling. You do your math, every other subject, and then I'll also put up a Beatitudes video because we talked about the Beatitudes. This week we're talking about the Beatitudes, along with the old the old law and the new law in religion. So those videos will be going up briefly too. Okay, so it'll be a few videos being popped up um, into the thing. Make sure you log into when you get on YouTube is that it says your correct grade and the correct year because there's several YouTube channels. I mean playlists, not channels. There's several YouTube playlists. So just make sure you're logging into the right one. That you're not getting material from last school year. Alrighty, you guys, this is the first video. Please make sure you watch it, and once you're done watching it, please make sure you get started on those writing assignments. Okay, until the next video or until the next class, have a great day.